Welcome, future gardeners! If you want to grow lots of peppers but aren't sure where to begin, you've come to the right place. In this video, we are going to talk about what you need to know to successfully grow peppers. The vibrant colors and the crunchy texture of these versatile veggies can be a delightful addition to your meals, and growing them at home is easier than you may think. In today's video, let's focus on growing peppers in containers. Yes, peppers can be easily grown in containers, and we are going to walk through the simple and manageable steps. First things first, we must understand that peppers are warm season veggies that thrive in temperatures between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait until after the last frost to start planting, or keep your containers inside, then move outside after the last frost. If you are new to the idea of starting your own garden, getting starter plants would be your best option. Starter plants are seedlings that are roughly 6 inches in height and are ready to be planted. You can purchase them at a local plant nursery, local hardware stores, home improvement stores, and many grocery stores. If you purchase your plants prior to the last frost, keep your plants inside and in a sunny spot. After the danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed up, it's time to move the plants outdoors. Harden off the plants by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over a week. Start by placing them outside for a few hours each day and gradually increase the time until they are outside all day and night. Now let's get planting. Plants in well-drained soil can thrive and produce a significant crop. If planting in containers, remember to put drainage holes in the bottom and place them on a drain pan if there is a concern about the area getting wet, such as a patio. The drain pan can be eliminated if there is no concern about the area underneath the container. There are many options when it comes to containers. Pails, nursery buckets, planters, growing bags, and totes can be used. Just be sure to use a container that is a minimum of 3-gallon capacity, but remember, the bigger the container, the more soil you will need to use. Fill your container with a high-quality all-purpose potting mix. Move the dirt to create a small crater in the center to set your plant. When setting your plant in the hole, make sure the top of the root ball is level with the surface and gently pack the soil around it. Do not plant deeply like tomatoes, or the plants may rot. Only cover the roots. Peppers like a sunny location, so choose a spot where your plants can get at least 6 hours of continuous sunlight each day. 8 hours is even better. The added bonus of growing in containers is you can move them around. If you do not have one spot that gets 6 to 8 hours of continuous sunlight, you can move your container around to keep it in the sun. In addition to being sun-loving, pepper plants like a lot of water. If planting in a fabric planting bag, you may need to water more than once a day on particularly hot sunny days, because the fabric can dry out quicker than a pail or tote. Okay, so now let's talk about feeding your plants. Peppers are heavy feeders, and watering washes out the nutrients of the soil. You need to add nutrients back for a happy plant. If using a fertilized potting mix, wait 2 weeks before feeding your plant again. Feed every 10 to 14 days with a balanced vegetable fertilizer. Water-soluble tomato plant food will work great. As your plants grow, your peppers may get heavy and cause the plant to lean. Tying it to a stake or adding a tomato cage will keep your plant from breaking. The best part is finally here. It's harvest time. When the peppers reach at least the size of a tennis ball, they are ready to harvest. The green-colored peppers are the first to appear. Then, as they're left to mature and ripen, their color turns from green to yellow and then from yellow to orange. Their final stage of maturity is their fully ripe red color. You can pick them at any stage. Carefully snap off at the pepper stem or use pruners to cut the peppers from the plant. The more peppers you harvest, the more the plant will produce. So there you have it. With a bit of patience and care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh, homegrown bell peppers. Growing your own bell peppers not only provides you with fresh produce, but also adds a splash of color to your garden. So why not give it a try? The joy of harvesting your own bell peppers is truly unmatched. Please like and subscribe so we can continue to post helpful videos to support your gardening journey.